Malweni! Hi, I'm here today to tell you something because I want this to be very clear. I am here to learn and not to teach. So all I want is to meet new friends to connect with me and correct my wrong phrases. So I opened this channel to be in contact with my mother because we want to learn isiXhosa together. And this is it. So it's not a place where you can learn the right way to speak isiXhosa. This is not the place. Go away. Or better, you can for sure stay, and I'm very happy to welcome you. But I'm not here to teach, I'm here to learn. Okay, so I see you day by day here. I will try to tell what I learned, and please correct my phrases. Okay, cheers. Bye lads, I see you soon, more than soon. Bye.